Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Trigonometry. Questions and solutions from exercise 11.2. This video contains the solutions from question number 1 to question number 4 of this exercise. Here is the question number 1. Evaluate the following. I shall repeat, evaluate the following. Here in this question, we may be given some 4 to 5 bits and we have to find the values of all those 5 bits. Here the first bit is find the value of sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 degrees value is also 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. For both the fractions, denominator is same, which is root 2. Therefore root 2 itself is the LCM. Now let us add both numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by root 2. You can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. You can cancel root 2 and root 2, so that we have root 2 is the final value of sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Now let us solve the second bit now. Cos 45 degrees divided by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Now cos 45 degrees. From the table, cos 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 divided by secant 30 degrees. Secant is the trigonometrical ratio which is the inverse of cos. We know that cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Therefore, secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. We have to interchange numerator and denominator. So that secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees. Cosecant is the inverse trigonometrical ratio for sine. Therefore, we know that sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 and cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3. Now look at the numerator. Numerator is 1 by root 2. You write 1 by root 2 as it is. By denominator now. 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. These two have the same denominator. Therefore, root 3 is the LCM. 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. Here, the denominator may go to numerator and the denominator of the numerator may come to denominator. So that it is 1 into root 3 is root 3, 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2. Therefore, the final value of cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 4 root 3. Now third bit, sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. It is very simple that we have to substitute these values. Sine 30 degrees, the value of sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees, the value of tan 45 degrees is 1 minus cosecant 60 degrees, cosecant 60 degrees is 2 by root 3 divided by cot 45 degrees. Cot is the inverse trigonometrical ratio for tan. Tan 45, we know that tan 45 is 1. Therefore, cot 45 is also 1 by 1 is 1. Plus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Minus secant 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Now, in this total fraction, if you observe both numerator and denominator, if you compare, you have plus 1 by 2 in the numerator and plus 1 by 2 also in denominator. Plus 1 in numerator, plus 1 is also there in denominator. Minus 2 by root 3 is present in both numerator and denominator. Therefore, if you compare both numerator and denominator of the whole fraction, the total numerator is equal to the total denominator. Both are same. Since the numerator and denominator are same for a fraction, then the value of the fraction becomes 1. Isn't it? 2 by 2 is 1. 3 by 3 is 1. 10 by 10 is 1. A by A is also 1. Therefore, in any fraction, if numerator and denominator are same, then the value of the fraction is 1. So that you need not find the LCM and you need not simplify this straight away. You can write the value 1. Now look at fourth bit. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Now in order to find this value, we have to find the value of tan 45 degrees, we have to find the value of cos 30 degrees and we have to find the value of sine 60 degrees from the table. You observe this table. Yes, you see this table. From this, you verify what is tan 45 degrees value. Good. Tan 45 degrees value is 1. And you verify what is cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Good. And you also verify what is the value of sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now, let us substitute these three values in the given question now. Now come to this question. This is 2 into tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees. This is 2 into, we just observed from the table that tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan square 45 means 1 square. Plus cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Since it is cos square 30 degrees, it is root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. And sine square 60 degrees means root 3 by 2 whole square. Plus root 3 by 2 whole square and minus root 3 by 2 whole square will be 0. And 2 into 1 square is 2 into 1. 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, the final answer for 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sine square 60 degrees is equal to 2. And fifth bit. Secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees divided by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Now let us substitute these values and let us simplify. Secant 60 value is 2. Since it is secant square, 2 whole square. Minus tan 30 degrees is root 3. Since it is tan square, root 3 whole square. Similarly, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sine square 30 degrees means 1 by 2 whole square. Plus cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Since it is cos square 30 degrees, it is root 3 by 2 whole square. 2 square is 4 and root 3 whole square is 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1. And at denominator, 1 by 2 whole square is 1 square by 2 square, that is 1 by 4. Plus root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 square is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4 is also 1, 1 by 1 value is 1. So that you solved all the 5 bits of the first question. But it is very clear that in order to solve these questions, we should be very much familiar with the trigonometrical values of particular angles. That table you should learn properly. If you have that table in your brain, then you can very easily calculate these values. Is it clear? Very good. Now let us see question number 2. Here is question number 2. Evaluate the following and choose correct answer. Here there may be 3 to 4 bits, and in these bits we have to find these values again. Look at the first bit. Here is the first bit. The first bit is find the value of 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. I shall repeat. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. This is equal to, we know that tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Therefore, let us substitute tan 30 degrees means 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 45 means 1 square. 2 into 1 is 2 by root 3. Under denominator 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. You can cancel this 2 and 2 so that you have 1 by root 3. This is the actual answer of 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. Its value is 1 by root 3. But these 3 questions have given some multiple choice answers. Therefore, out of the given 4 options, 1 by root 3 is not given, but in the place of 1 by root 3 we have given tan 30 degrees. We know that tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. Therefore, you can choose the answer as tan 30 degrees. Now second bit. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. We know that tan square 45 degrees is 1. Therefore, 1 minus tan 45 is 1. Tan square means 1 square. By 1 plus tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan square 45 degrees means 1 square. 1 minus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. by 1 plus 1 is 2. But here it is printed as 1, which is a mistake. You may please correct it. Here in the place of 1 you should write 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is always 0. So that the value of 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to 0. Now third bit. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. This is equal to 2 into tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30 is tan 30 whole square. That is 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 into 1 is 2 by root 3 at numerator. And at denominator 1 minus 1 square is 1 by root 3 whole square is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 3. Numerator is 2 by root 3. And denominator is 2 by 3. This denominator of the denominator may go to numerator. And the denominator of the numerator may come down. Therefore it is 2 into 3 by 2 into root 3. You can cancel 2 and 2. This root 3 in 3, root 3 times. Therefore the final answer for this is root 3. But in the given options, root 3 is not there. But in the place of root 3, tan 60 is one of the options. We know that the value of the tan 60 is root 3. You can go for this option, which is equal to tan 60 degrees. By this we concluded question number 2. Now let us see question number 3. Evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. And what is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees and what can you conclude? I shall repeat. Evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. And what is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? And what can you conclude? This is the question. Now in order to solve this, we should learn the values of sin 60 and cos 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees and sin 30 degrees. Then you can substitute the values one by one. Sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Substitute the values. From the table you can verify what is sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And what is cos 60? 1 by 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. Therefore, now let us substitute these values. You may look here now. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees is also root 3 by 2. Plus cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 into sin 30 is also 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. By 2 into 2 is 4. 3 by 4. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. By 2 into 2 is 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 by 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4. Now 4 and 4 one time. Therefore the value of sin 60 into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees is equal to 1. Now let us find the second value also. What is the second value to be find? The second value is we have to find sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. What is 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees value is 1. Now if you observe the first and the second values, this value is also 1 and sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is also 1. These two RHS are equal. Therefore you can equate these two LHS. That is from 1 and 2. From the equations 1 and 2, sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Now what can you conclude from this? We concluded that both the values are same. And at the same time, if we substitute 60 degrees is equal to some A and in the place of 30 degrees if we write B, then it may become a formula. You see, if we substitute 60 degrees is equal to A and 30 degrees is equal to B, then this becomes sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We arrived at a formula that sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now you observe question number 4. Here is the question. Is it right to say that cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees? It is almost in the same model as we did in the previous question. Now if you observe the solution here, Let us find the value of sine 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. First of all, 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is 90 degrees. We know that cos 90 degrees value is 0. This is the value of the first value, or LHS is 0. And let us find the value of RHS. Cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now let us multiply these two. 1 into root 3 is root 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 into 2 is 4. This is root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. If you subtract the value from the same, you will get 0. If you observe the first and the second equations, both are equal to 0. Therefore, cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Again, if we substitute 60 degrees is equal to A and 30 degrees is equal to B, then this may become cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, isn't it? If we substitute 60 degrees is equal to A and 30 degrees is equal to B, then this may become cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We arrived at a formula for cos A plus B in this question, and we arrived at the formula for sin A plus B in the previous question. This is how we solve the questions from 1 to 4 of exercise 11.2. The video links of all the solutions of all the problems from exercise 11.1 and the introduction to the chapter trigonometry are given in the description, and you can click them and you can revise the chapter whenever it is required. Thank you one and all.